The tech world is buzzing as the Nothing Phone 3, set to launch in July 2025, promises to redefine smartphone innovation. With a stunning triple 50MP camera setup, Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a breathtaking 6.77-inch 1.5K AMOLED LTPO display, and cutting-edge AI features that aim to make your daily interactions smarter and smoother than ever before. This highly anticipated device from Carl Pei's Nothing is expected to deliver top-tier performance and iconic design, continuing the brand's bold legacy. Though no official release date has been confirmed, the July 2025 launch timeline aligns with Nothing's past patterns, and with a rumored price of 45,000 Indian rupees to 50,000 Indian rupees in India, it seems Nothing is aiming for the premium mid-range sweet spot. As expected, the iconic glyph interface is returning, potentially enhanced with more smart functionalities, which could bring added interactivity and flair. The display specs alone are enough to excite any tech enthusiast. A 6.77-inch AMOLED screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, a crisp 1.5K resolution, and a blinding peak brightness of 3,000 nits, promising ultra-vivid visuals under any lighting condition. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip is paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage, making this phone a multitasking powerhouse. And when it comes to capturing memories, the triple 50MP lens configuration, featuring a main shooter, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto sensor, will be a game-changer for mobile photography, allowing users to snap everything from dramatic landscapes to detailed close-ups with stunning clarity. Powering all this tech is a 5,000 milliamp hours or possibly 5,300 milliamp hours battery, rumored to support 50W wired and 20W wireless charging, meaning you'll get more done with less downtime. But what really elevates the Nothing Phone 3 is its focus on AI. This might just be the smartest phone Nothing has ever made. Expect AI-driven features like Circle to Search, which lets you instantly search for anything on your screen, a smart drawer that intelligently organizes your apps, AI-based transcription tools for quick and accurate voice-to-text conversion, and a fully personalized AI assistant that understands your habits, preferences, and needs. Together, these intelligent tools aim to deliver an effortless, intuitive, and futuristic user experience that adapts to you. With its sleek build, innovative interface, flagship performance, and truly smart features, the Nothing Phone 3 could be one of the most exciting Android phones of the year if it lives up to the leaks and the hype. But with Carl Pei at the helm and a passionate fan base eagerly waiting, expectations are sky high. Will the Nothing Phone 3 truly be the revolution it promises, or just another overhyped launch? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, all eyes are on this launch. Stay tuned as we bring you more updates and insights into this exciting new device, right here on TechVerse.